Here's why I really like the Bauer grinder for tile work. Number 1, it's powerful and affordable, under $50, and it cuts like a beast. 2, it's lightweight and easy to control, especially for tight cuts like around drains. 3, blade changes take seconds, just press the lock and swap. 4, it runs cool and smooth, even on porcelain. And 5, it works with any standard 4.5-inch diamond blade. For real guys, this little tool over-delivers, and I've dropped the Amazon link below if you want to grab one.